Welcome to our guide on navigating the journey to U.S. citizenship after a divorce. Today we will explore the challenges and considerations when applying for citizenship, especially if your green card was obtained through marriage. Let's dive in and see what steps you can take to ensure a smooth application process. In today's video, we will cover several key areas: understanding what constitutes a good faith marriage, discussing the importance of the divorce timeline, preparing for questions from USCIS, identifying potential red flags, and finally, the importance of seeking legal advice. We'll also provide key recommendations for a smoother process. Let's get started with the first point. First, let's discuss what it means to have a good faith marriage. The foundation of a good faith marriage is the genuine intention to build a life together, not for the purpose of immigration. You must demonstrate shared finances, property, and a life together. It's crucial to provide ample documentation from your time in the marriage to support this, as it provides solid evidence of your original intentions. It's time for a quick quiz. What is considered evidence of a good faith marriage? A wedding ceremony, shared financial responsibilities, or separate residences? You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is shared financial responsibilities. Evidence of a good faith marriage includes aspects like joint finances and property, not just a wedding. Next, let's talk about preparing for questions from USCIS. When you apply for citizenship, USCIS may inquire about the divorce. Be ready to discuss the timeline and reasons for the divorce. Provide evidence supporting the legitimacy of the marriage, and demonstrate that there was no fraudulent intent. Documentation, such as communication records or personal testimonies, will be vital. Now let's identify some potential red flags. USCIS might scrutinize your divorce closely to ensure that the marriage wasn't solely for immigration purposes. It's critical to be honest and forthcoming, while being prepared with documentation to back up your story. Although a divorce might lead to closer scrutiny, it won't necessarily impact your application if your marriage was originally valid. To navigate this process smoothly, it is advisable to consult with an immigration lawyer. They can assess your specific situation, help you gather the necessary documentation, and guide you through the application process. Having professional help can make a significant difference in managing this journey seamlessly. Finally, let's go through some key recommendations to ensure a successful application process. Document everything related to your marriage thoroughly. Ensure open and honest communication throughout your application. Proactively address any potential concerns about your divorce. And most importantly, consult professionals for advice tailored to your circumstances. In summary, applying for citizenship after a divorce is indeed feasible. Ensure your application is thorough, well documented, and honest to present your case effectively. Remember, professional consultation can greatly aid you in this complex process. Before we conclude, it's important to acknowledge that immigration laws and policies can change. This video is meant for general guidance only and should not be considered as legal advice. Always consult with a qualified immigration lawyer for advice specific to your situation. Thank you for watching our video on navigating citizenship after divorce. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. We would love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.